I'm sending 7 wishes to a very special little girl who is celebrating her 7th birthday today. Love, hope, peace, health, wealth, kindness, and happiness. Lots of love and big kisses to you, Chuchay. I love you so much and I miss you. Na-miss na ni Mami kakulitan mo. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo na to. I love you so much. Oh, sabay ko na yung view dito sa Chay. Greetings from Hong Kong. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Chuchay!
Oh, bo.
Miss kasi yung mag-aral ka mabuti. Yun lang. Birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Ate Chuchay.
Happy birthday, Chuchay!
Happy birthday, Chuchay. Huwag ka mo pasaway sa mama mo.
Hi! Happy birthday, Chuchay! We love you!
Ciao, Chuchay. Happy birthday! Wish ko lang na masaya ka sa birthday mo ito. Sana nandyan ako. No, para makakain ako nung kinatay mo. Baboy! Chuchay, miss ka na namin. Balik ka na dito, ipapasyal ka namin. Saan mo gusto? Sa Legazpi? Sa Manila? Robinson? Star City? Chuchay, sana ipadalan mo kami ng video mo sa birthday mo. Kahit maikli lang. We love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday!